Yeah, I was right. Differential removal part 2. It does come out in one piece. You don't have to remove that bearing. It's just, I think with it, me having it stood up here, when I was moving and twisting the diff around, it was moving the case, making it difficult. So I've set the case on its beam end. Better make sure you can see this. Yeah, you can see that, that's good. So, it's just a matter of wiggling it really. So there we go, see? And out it comes. So there's your differential, planetary gears, gears that run on the bull gears, and pretty self-explanatory really. Just needs a good clean up, and it'll be good to go. The only thing is, just looking at these bearings, I think the bearings are not very clever. They're very pitted, and as I've got bearings to replace in the gearbox, I'll probably replace these as well. So I'll just put this over on the bench, like so. Away from my hands, and there we go. Now I'm going to lift the case back up again, hopefully. As I think I said in one of my earlier videos, just be careful when you're playing around with this stuff, because it is very heavy. And it's only a small tractor, but some of this stuff is amazingly heavy in weight. So a good A-frame is essential really. So now we can see what remains of the PTO gears and the shifter. I'll just take you out on my little makeshift frame, and I'll just knock this off because it's telling me my battery's low, so I hope that hasn't upset things. So there you go. Actually, you can see the gears. So these two bevel gears take the drive from the horizontal to the vertical. Power shaft comes out here at the back, and there, if you can just see, is the selector. So we need to remove those, and to do that, yet another quill down the bottom here, this one. I suspect the bearings behind it. Select a rod, which I think will have to come out. And I suspect all the gears, because these are all just plain bushes here, I suspect the gears will just drop out. Sorry, putting my hand in the shadow there. The gears will just drop out, and it'll leave us with just those bushes in those housings. As you can see, it's a pretty grotty old mess in there. I'll clean it all out. I intend to paint all these inner case areas. It helps stop the rusting with condensation. So I intend to paint them. So yeah, so there we go. So I'll just go take a few circlips off, cut a bit of wire off that quill, and we'll take the PTO out. Okay.